back to Red Ted Art. Our ornament series, our princess ornament series continues. These are super cute printables that are quick and easy to make, and you can turn them into little Christmas ornaments or little decorations. Look, they also stand up like this one. And we've been making, it's a whole set of them, but obviously we're doing one video at a time. Today we're making Belle. We've already got Snow White and we've already got Anna, and there's more to come later in the week. But let's take a look and see how Belle is made today. As with our other princesses, you will need your printable, this time some yellow paper, a little bit of thread for hanging, glue stick, and of course some scissors. The first thing we need to do is to roughly cut out our Belle. Now remember, I always try and keep these scraps for other crafts, you know, make use of it. Now make sure you don't cut out completely, because now we need to fold her over and we need to make sure that the front and the back perfectly align. Now I always do that by holding it against a window and really making sure it matches, and then making a nice neat crease. I'm going to do that off light now because there's obviously no window here, and then I'm going to come back and we'll do the next step. So my Belle is perfectly aligned. I'm just going to very quickly trim the top off so that I can add my thread for hanging. You'll see in a minute why. So open that up, take my glue stick and add glue everywhere. Make sure you really get it to where the hands are, to the corners of the skirt, and all the way to the top of the head, so that it really does stick shut. Take your thread for hanging. And fold. Now if you forget to add the thread at this point, don't worry. With my other ones, I have actually just used a little bit of a needle and a thread and just pushed it through, and that's also fine, and I think it looks nice. So really don't worry too much about not having it in at the beginning. Actually, I'm going to put it a bit further because you could see it a little bit there and I didn't want to see it, so I've put it up to the top so that it doesn't shine through. And now cut out your Belle. Now I'm going to do this sped up so that it isn't too boring. Okay, so you saw me cut out the 8 circles, and you also saw me just folding them in half. Now you take your glue stick and you glue 4 together by adding glue on one side, placing the next one on top, and repeating. And you'll do 4 and 4. Right, now it's time to adapt your circle to your princess. Now we want the skirt to go right out to the edges, so line it in a way that is, you've got the central point here and the edge comes all the way, the circles come all the way to the edge, and then cut. Can you see that little line? I'm going to use the same on the other side. Now glue this down. Align it. Add glue to the other side. And again, align that. Perfect. We'll worry about the edges in a minute. Now let's take the other side. And again, make sure it's all nicely aligned. Great, you're almost finished. It's looking really cute already, isn't it? So just flatten it. This is also a great way to store them, by the way. So once you take them down and you want to keep them for the next year, all you have to do is just flatten them and you can store them in an envelope. And then if you want, you can trim a little bit on the side here. And that side's okay, I think. Yep, that's good. Bring that back. Let's have a look. Our little Belle. Open her up. And you have your Bell Ornament finished. Let's have a look. I love it when they spin, they're so cute. They look really, really nice. And here's the other one I made. I changed the skirt a little bit to fit the dress better, so the sizing is really accurate. And of course there are the other princesses. We have already made Anna from Frozen. Let's give her a little spin. I like her because she's got the little sparkles added. And we have her Snow White. So those are the ones we've done so far, and more coming soon. Anyway, as per usual, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Above all, we'd love you to keep watching and keep making. And of course, see you here again soon. Take care. Bye.